Hazrat Yahya Mizani narrates that Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu said, a Jew who had been slapped on his face came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, O Muhammad, an Ansari from your companions has slapped me on my face. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, send for him. So he was summoned. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, why did you slap on his face? He submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, while I happened to pass by the Jews, I heard him saying, by him who singled out Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam from all mankind. I said, well, is he in your views superior to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? I thereupon got infuriated and dealt him a slap. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, don't give me superiority over other prophets alayhimus salam, for on the resurrection day when all the people will sown, I will recover first to see Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam holding the leg of the throne. I don't know by conjecture whether he will recover before me or will be exempted because of the Tur sown. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6917.